Wait! Stop right there. Do not go any further.
Before you go any further, do you love me?
I do.
Will you love me forever? Do you need
This is a good song.
Will you never leave? Okay, for real.
Seriously, stop. Do not
Stop.
watch any more of this video
Not a
until
second.
you go to the Chicks Life channel
Right
because
now.
this is part 2. You have to watch part 1 first.
Do it
so
in order.
Yeah, of course. So you're going to find the card up above that's showing up now, or down in the description below, you will find a link to their channel. Once you are done with that, then come here and watch this one.
Yes.
Got it?
Good.
Go now. Hey everybody, welcome to Loftus Party of 6
and the Chicks Life.
Today is going to be an epic day.
We are going to race our fifth wheels down this beach across the finish line, have to back them in to a fairly tight spot, unhook, and then have some fun driving back. And first one across the finish line wins.
And by race, they mean safely drive.
Safely follow the
with
speed limit.
chillins and family in tow.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
We're gonna win!
Go, 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 go. No, they're pulling away! They're pulling away! Cut me off!
Got you up!
Oh, the log! Watch out for the log!
This is what aggressive driving looks like. Don't do this.
Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! Go,
Take that, James! How do you like me now?
Oh, no,
I do not condone this.
that's not pulling your whole house behind you as fast as you can down the beach. As fast as I safely can. Hey, we're going 21 times 5. I don't know. Can I get around him? Can I get around him?
No, not even a little bit. Oh, my Lanta, what are you doing?
Gotta pass him.
Where'd they go?
Nobody knows.
Wait, I see them behind me. They're coming around. Uh-oh. Oh no, Dad, go, go, go! Go in around! Go, Dad, go!
Go, Daddy, go, go!
Oh, it's bumpy. It's bumpy.
Yeah, nothing. Look behind him. This is not okay.
My keys! No, wait, nothing's going on. Okay, now rush, I'm getting confused. Come on, come on, come on. That's clear, come on.
This is awkward. It's like, okay, how am I supposed to be here?
I like it.
All right, y'all. The race is over. The numbers have been calculated. We've broken it down. Hello, and we have babies on the floor.
Yeah, we have babies on the floor.
Give her a
Thank
toy.
you.
So the race, as you guys know, was broken down into 3 rounds. Round 1 was the setting up of the inside. Round 2 was us tearing down outside. And then round 3 was the race, the backup, unhook, and across the line. So we're not going to tell you who's team 1 and who's team 2, but I'm going to give you the numbers for team 1 and team 2. Team 1 for round 1 got 5 minutes and 45 seconds. And then team 2 got 3 minutes and 58 seconds. So that was a big difference.
It was a big one.
That's a big gap. So one of the ladies was a minute and 47 seconds slower.
So on round 2, that was just the guys. Team 1 had 11 minutes. Team 2 had 10 minutes and 30 seconds.
That was closer.
That was
a
much
lot
closer. A
closer.
30-second difference between me and him. That's impressive.
It was.
And then round 3 was actually the closest. As you guys saw when we drove across the line, there was a 2-second difference between us. So team 1 did round 3 in 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Team 2 did it in 5 minutes and 44 seconds. So that right there should tell you who the winner is if you're good at math, because you know that we lost round 3 by 2 seconds. So the winner is...
Yeah! We won! We didn't win!
It took me a second.
We let them. I was like, what are you doing here?
I know, what are we saying?
But the difference of all 3 rounds was only about 2 minutes, just over 2-minute difference. Which
And
really,
we have 2 extra kids, so
that's true.
So
There you go.
here's where I come in and I say
it's my fault.
the reason why we lost was because of round 1. Who was in charge of round 1?
That was me, and I was sweating and running.
You were doing all you
I
guys. You
was
guys just
giving
have
it my
so much
all.
stuff you pick up every
do.
time. That's the difference.
We
We
do.
trying to minimize how much stuff you like
We
have to roll up
like to have
rugs.
ours in
Yeah.
basket.
Yeah, and that's so.
I
And
really
like shoved into
Yeah, storage.
crevices.
Storage is good.
and I really thought round 2 honestly was going to be a bigger gap.
That's what we were talking
You should
beforehand.
be embarrassed.
I am embarrassed at how long round 2, because he just had
If
to
it
sit
weren't
there.
for me, you would have probably lost this.
I was pushing the button to raise the jacks on our 5th wheel for probably a good 3 minutes.
I don't know what
I
happened.
think we've got this in the bag.
I honestly
was
don't
like,
know
oh,
what
okay.
happened.
Why? And he's like, well, he has to like hold it down. I just press on.
Yeah.
So
awesome.
Yeah, it was
I am
surprising.
embarrassed.
It was surprising.
But you guys, this was super fun.
It was a blast.
Hopefully you all liked it. If you did, be sure to share it with your friends. Get this out there, because you don't have to know who we are to think this video is fun. I just think it was a random,
great.
awesome video.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you have enjoyed it, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, go over and check out the Chicks Live.
They're awesome. We love
We
them.
have had so much fun hanging out with them over the past 5
I
days.
can't believe we've only known each other for less than a week. That's insane.
Crazy.
We seriously feel like we've known each other forever.
Our daughter's already slept over at their house twice now.
And Maverick already loves me the most. So I've got her.
Like
I've
she's
got
coming
her.
right
Yeah,
now.
she's
She's on her
coming
way
for
to
me.
Lane.
Trying to find her way. She's like, come on.
Come here, baby girl.
Right there.
Let's see.
He's gonna get Gio.
And I will-
I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
We're buddies. There we go.
Babies!
Even though the Chicks Life beat us,
Oh.
I'm a little disappointed. My heart's a little hurt, but I promise we're still friends.
We're still friends.
Yeah.
It was fun. We love them. Check them out.
Yeah.
And be sure and like this video, subscribe, do all the things, all the things. We love you guys.
Thanks.
Bye.